Right now I'm filling up some barrel around the back with some water. So I'm just basically come for checking. Oh, and the schedule for vlogs will be Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I'm maybe gonna get a little brighter in the week or so. So I'm trying Monday. And if I don't get a video Wednesday, I can go for a video Saturday. And so something like so. So yeah. So I'm gonna fill up some more water. Go in the box. I'll talk to you guys shortly, okay? Yeah. I just got my lunch, you guys. I'm having peach mango squeeze, and I'm having fried chicken and rice and peas and steamed veg. Some of y'all say you guys love to see when I show my food, so I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, that's what I'm having, you guys. And if you've been watching my vlog, no, this is not from our video on the road. So I'm going to have this right now while watching some video. I'm barely still outside the phone. So you guys, after that now I'm over Luki. So Luki we over there, so and him brother. So we'll just go Bill. I don't know if Luki will play a game again. Yeah, play a game? So yeah, pray for do. Yeah, play a game? What kind of game? Same game like when they play? You get tired of FIFA? Jesus, me don't get tired of playing FIFA. Want to Need for Speed or
I don't like football.
I would have to see if I
oh, okay. So I'm just there over here. You don't have dog food, by the way?
Yeah.
Oh, so at least we get dog food for Karen. So basically that's what I do. Come check in. Yeah, brother, yo, them love cuss. Every day on the cuss? When me they live when my brother they live here. Me and brother never cuss all the time. No.
Why are you lying to the camera?
Me and we cuss all the time?
You know it's true. Think about it.
No. We cuss most time, but not really all the time.
That don't make sense. Most time, not all the time.
But we never get war, them war. Me and brother used to war.
Of course, what are you talking about?
Hey, I like them, I tell. Pretty girl like me, I want my brother, my little brother. I'm so wicked, Loki.
You're not wicked, it's just normal.
You guys, you know ever war with a sibling?
War?
No.
No.
About art, but everybody have. Yeah. I know what everybody gonna say, yeah. Sometimes I have to bust my little sister head or bust my little brother head. You beat them, but you just not kill them, you know what I'm saying? So, I be a foolish talk when I overlook it still, so. And them have me watch cartoon.
I'm really looking for me.
So, I'll talk to you guys. What? No, Lana the SVU, brother. SVU. Yo, more the SVU than CI. That one they just SVU just shot. So, anyways, we are just start being foolishness. I'm a doubt on the wall. Listen way. So I'll see you guys in the next. Guys, now I'm going home. I'll go eat burst of food. Woo! So later, yeah, Luki.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, I big up my father fiance. Yo, I did me that one. See them. I said, dog, must see a video and stuff. Don't. Alright, a little bit, yeah. Guys, yeah. Today I watch some video. I'm have the sweet tooth, so I just buy ice cream. So I'm gonna be ready and buy my ice cream. So, yeah. Guys, I'm so disappointed right now. Really expecting ice cream, them say no ice cream. If not ice cream. So I just buy a snack. Let me show you. About you guys, snackables and the nicest bag juice. So yeah. You guys like snackables? Let me know in the comments. When was the last time you had snackables? And so yeah, I really like snackables and them so yeah. Yes you guys. You must know that spot here by now, don't it? This is where I'm ending today's vlog. I'm really sorry this vlog is so short. I really do apologize because I've seen that some of y'all love longer vlogs. I've seen the comments and I'm really seeing the comments. Before I go, as per usual, I always have to give my post notification shout out. Today's post notification shout out goes to Pow. Yes, Pow, big up yourself. You can't, so I'm gonna give you the shout out, alright? And Sharika Belvet. Yeah girl, big up yourself. Thanks for giving your post notification on. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, the like button, and also comment what you think about today's vlog, even though it's short. So don't really roast because it's short. Okay, you guys can know say someone will roast me say Peter get longer vlogs, but guys, longer vlogs coming soon, I promise. And what if you like to be a part of the post notification gang and everything, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you'll be getting all the notifications, like my videos, and just comment when done. Also, what I would like for you guys to do, add me up on all my social media platforms. I have my Facebook fan page, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Instagram. Follow me you guys, and you can also screenshot the favorite part of my vlog and tweet it to me, and I will retweet it. Okay you guys, so thanks again so much for watching you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Peace.